Lacey. I was formerly the head of the Amgen site here in San Francisco, as well as the head of Discovery Research. And I've had a chance over the last couple of years to actually watch students like you come and participate in this event. And compared to each year that we've done this, there's been more students that have participated. So last year there was 12. And this year there's 33 applied, 31 showed up today. You've had a chance to look at each other's posters and presentations, and all of us, speaking on behalf of the judges, I have to say it's very inspiring to see students do the kind of things that you're doing and think about problems the way you think about them and to come to solutions the way that you've come to them. I now serve as an advisor to young startup companies and venture capitalists. And one of the things that's true, and this is true throughout really the world, is the world needs more people like you, particularly the United States, young, scientifically curious people that have an entrepreneurial spirit to what they're discovering and working on and trying to push the envelope forward in terms of applying their science to the best in the way of public good. So the range of projects we looked at, some of them were completely in silico, some were in the web, some used brine shrimp, some used nanoparticles, some used cell-based models. There was all sorts of science that was on display this morning. And for those of you that are the parents or friends of these students that have come here to do this, or their teachers, I commend you for supporting them in their effort, and you should be proud. Now, this program this afternoon is going to end in the delivery of prizes, but there is a little bit of a program this afternoon that we need to get through, and I don't want to take too much of the time, as much as I'd like to talk about what I saw earlier this afternoon. So we're going to have a comment from a local Bay Area entrepreneur, Susan Molyneux. I'll introduce her in a minute. We're going to have a career panel discussion, and these will be people that are in their careers, and they'll sit in these chairs, and I will moderate a discussion with the idea of I'll prime the pump with a few questions, and then I'm going to encourage all of you who are sitting there with questions of your own to offer those up to the panel. There's going to be an award ceremony thereafter in the last 15 minutes, and then myself and some of the other judges will stay around for a little bit longer to have a networking reception. So now I want to get back and introduce our guest speaker for this afternoon. Her name is Susan Molyneux. She's currently the CEO of Area BioGENeIus. And a little bit about her history that I hope she's not going to be too embarrassed about me revealing, but I'm going to reveal it anyway. Apparently, this is something that Sandy Young found, so if you don't like